Hey guys, today I will show you how to set stop loss and take profit on Robinhood. Now here's the thing, Robinhood doesn't have traditional take profit or combined stop loss orders like some brokers, but don't worry, we can set them manually. First, let's do stop loss to limit losses. Open Robinhood app, go to your stocks, pick one like Apple, tap trade, then sell. Now up top right, tap the default order type, it probably says shares. From the menu, select stop order, enter your stop price, say $95. If stocks at $100, click continue, pick time in force, enter shares, review, then swipe up to submit. Simple. Now for take profit, open that same stock page, tap trade sell, again tap order type, but this time pick limit order. Enter your target price like $120 for that $100 stock. Choose time in force, good till cancel works best. Enter shares, review, swipe up. Important note, Robinhood doesn't support OCO orders, so you'll need to manage both manually. Maybe set price alerts to help, but this method gets the job done. Please like and subscribe.